For Vlogmas, we're going to make one of my favorites, chocolate chip cookies. Hey YouTube, we're making chocolate chip cookies. We have brown sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla extracts, baking powder, baking soda, oatmeal, flour, chocolate chips, pecans, and we're going to shave off this milk chocolate bar. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're going to make our cream base. We have 2 sticks of butter, a cup of sugar, a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extracts. Now, what you see and how I'm making these, this is going to make a crunchier batter. Like after they've sat out for a while, the cookie will harden. If you want it softer, you can add heavy whipping cream to this. That will help give it a creamier consistency, and probably another 1/4 of a stick to a 1/2 a stick of butter. That will definitely help it. But right now, the way I'm making it is going to be a more crunchier consistency. Moving along to our dry mix, I take 2½ cups of oatmeal, put them in the Ninja blender, blend them until they're a powdery consistency. This way you don't see the big chunks of oatmeal in your cookies. So continuing on with the dry mix, we added the flour, we added the baking powder, baking soda, mix that together, and then we're mixing it into the cream base little by little. And then we're going to start adding in our chocolate chips. And we're going to fold those in. I kind of stopped using the mixer at this point because I don't want my chips to break up. I'm using a spatula basically. And now I'm going to add in a couple of handfuls of pecans. I didn't want mine too nutty, but it depends on what you want. You can do about a 1/2 cup to a cup of the nut of your choice. And then I'm going to grate this Hershey bar into the mixture of the chocolate chip cookies. This gives it little hints of milk chocolate throughout that will melt into your batter as it cooks. Okay, so this makes about 50 to 60 cookies. I used a tablespoon scooper or measuring to make these 9 balls. I'm going to put it in the oven at 375 for about 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, I wind up leaving the cookies in the oven longer because my size was too big. Using that tablespoon measure and into those 9 balls, this is what the outcome is. They're a little thicker than what's required. You can do half the size and it'll cut your time down in half. I wind up leaving them in the oven for 20 minutes at 375. But I'm happy with how they came out. I hope you enjoyed my video, and here are my chocolate chip cookies. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're aware of when my next video comes out. Happy holidays. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Bye.